today's problem is case smallest in lexicographical order. Like case, we know the lexical order, like it is a dictionary order. Uh, for n equal to 13, if we write the dictionary order from 1 to 13, it will be in the like this order: 1, 1 after 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1. Oh, sorry, but up to 13, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the lexicographical. In this we want the kth smallest integer. The in the lexical order, the second smallest order is number is 10. Like this we will write. For n equal to n, k equal to 1, it is the 1. First I will do it write them it is in the brute force approach. What I will do is that I will write the all lexicographical elements from 1 to 13, and in that I will take the smallest kth smallest number. For that I will take one declare one number current element, and I will traverse. We have up to n elements, so I will go from I equal 0 to I equal to n. If k equal to 1, I will return the first element, right? I will return first element. Then if my current element into 10 is less than or equal to my number, then I will multiply it. I will test the k value. Else, if current element is greater than or equal to my number, I will divide by 10. Then I increment it. Suppose my n element is 10, my current element is 11, then I should not go above 10. So I will come to the base value 1 and I increment here. And if my number reached the suppose 20, then I will come to again base value. Like multiples of 10, it is came, I will go into the base value. I decrease the k value here. If it's completed, I will remember my current value. But we see the range of n 10 power 9. But if you multiply 10 power 9 into 10, it will go into the long values. So what I will do is that I will take long, and here should be I will typecast into long, and that's it. Now I will run our code. It is running fine. Now I will submit it. Here we are getting TLE 60 test cases are passed. Why we are getting the TLE? Because if you go to the longer values, our code is going more than the 10 power 9 seconds, so we have to optimize it. To optimize it, we will use the try method. Try method is nothing but we will I will explain it. Try method is nothing but we take a number from 1 to 13, the normally the lexical order will be 1 2 10 1 10 11 12 13. So if my k is in between 1 to 5, then the answer should be lie in this value. Otherwise my answer should be in the lie in the range of either 2, either 3, or either 4, either 5, either 6, either 7, either 8, either 9. So what I am going to do is that I am going to find the range of this k value between two numbers. For every two numbers I will going to find the range, and if my range is bit less than k or greater than or equal to k, I will do the condition. So what I will do is that I will take an current element 1, I will write from 1 to k. I will increment in the condition I plus that part. I'll find out the gap between 1 and 2 first. My current element and current plus 1, and I will pass n to find out the between how many numbers are there between 1 to 2, and it should be less than n. A into b. Sorry, I will have to take the long value because the range is given from 10 power n. If we multiply by 10 or anything, we should add or something. It will go my integer range. So I am going to take long value. And my a should be less or equal to n. What I will do is that I want between 1 and 2. I will watch what I will do is between 1 and 2 gap is 1. Between 1 and 10 and our range value, how much range, that in that manner I will calculate. Let me show. B and n plus 1 minus a. Here my number is b value is 2 and n value is, let us take example 13. 14 will be there. This minimum is 2 minus 1 1. Between 1 and 2 my how many values are there? 1 value is there. Now coming to 10 to and my 13 numbers. To get 10 I should multiply a into 10, b into 10. Like this, we'll add and I will return it. Then I got the gap between 1 and 2. And next I will write the case if my I plus gap is less than equal to k, means if the 1 to between 1 and 2, if the number is not there, what I will do is that no if my I plus gap is less than equal to k, then in that gap only my number is there. To get the number I will increment I to gap, and I have changed the I value. Again I have to change the current value also. I will increment the current. If my number is not in the gap, so I will multiply by 10 my number. Then I increment the I value. Then I will return my number. It's running fine. Yeah, it's running fine. This is the solution. Thank you.